Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if it's your first time here, you're very welcome, and if it's not your first time here, thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for watching my videos. Anyway, today's video is going to be all about how I created this look. I hope you enjoy watching it as much as I enjoy filming it. And then for my hair, the details, I will put the details of the hair in the description box below. It's from Beautiful Hair, and I also have a video where I created this, so it's like a wet hair sort of look, and I will put the details in the description box below. Anyway guys, let's get straight to business. So I always start off by priming my face, and the primer I'm using here is the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Primer. This is actually a sample size primer that I got like some time ago when I went to buy the foundation, and I applied the primer all over my face. The foundation I'm going to be using here is my all-time favorite foundation, my £3 foundation from Primark. And oops, see, I spilled a little on my shirt and I got to clean it off. Anyway, so I applied this foundation all over my face, and then I spread it or blend it into the skin using a brush like so. So I feel like this process is almost the same process I do when I'm doing my everyday makeup look. I'm the kind of person who, like, I don't switch products that much unless, I mean, I'm skeptical about it, or unless I see something better and different. And the concealer I'm using here is the Fenty Beauty Concealer in the shade 450, and I'm applying this on the areas that I would normally highlight: under my eyes, the forehead, bridge of my nose, and then the next step is to blend it in with a damp beauty blender. This beauty blender is like one of my favorite beauty blenders ever. It's from a Nigerian brand named called Nuban Beauty. So I'm just using this to blend the concealer into my skin. So this Fenty Beauty powder here is my holy grail. Is the loose powder in the shade Nutmeg. I originally got it to set my under eye area, but I always end up using it to set my entire face because, I mean, it just works perfectly for me. And I haven't seen that I haven't seen that all over face powder to use on my face, because the ones I've tried, they end up looking ashy or looking some type of way, which I don't agree with. So if you're as dark as I am, or you are a makeup artist and you're watching this and you know of any good face powder, you know what I mean, please let me know in the comment section below. So for my eyebrows, I'm going in with my good old Zaron eyebrow definer. I've been using this for the longest. I've been using this, in fact, this is the eyebrow definer I trained with, not this particular one, but I mean, when I went to makeup school, I learned how to do brows using eyebrow definer. And if you don't know what eyebrow definer is, it's like, it's like eyeshadow, basically, very dark brown eyeshadow. So that's what I'm using to fill in my brows. And I also use this on my clients. I really don't know how to use pencils anymore. Like, whenever I try to use pencils, I end up dropping it and picking up my eyebrow definers. Anyway, to make my eyebrows stand out and look crisp and sharp, I go in with my concealer and I clean the under eye area. So for my eyelids, I'm going to be priming it with this Jumbo pencil in Milk. So I'll be going in with this dark shade from the Zaron Contour palette. So I'll be using it as my transition shade. I'm just going to use one eyeshadow shade here, and this is from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, and the shade I'm going in with all over my eyelid is the shade in Man Eater. It's a burgundy shade. And sorry guys if you hear some laughter, like baby laughter, it's my little one. She's so excited. I don't know why she's so excited, but that's okay. So the next step is to coat my lashes with mascara, and this is from Aldi, and this is actually a dupe for one of these Benefit mascaras. So I just put on a coat before I proceed to applying false lashes. So I always line my eyes once again, and the eyeliner I'm using here is the INGLOT Gel liner, and I am lining this as close to my lash line slash false lashes as possible. So for my waterline, I'll be using the same INGLOT Gel liner to line the waterline. So now it's time to contour my face, and I'll be using the ZARON Face Definer in the shade XD20. I normally don't use like stick contour or liquid contour because I haven't seen that contour stick or foundation that is dark enough to contour my face. So I use powder alone and it does the job for me. When I'm done contouring, I go over my face with my powder brush and some setting powder to blend everything I've applied on my face. Blend everything out, you know what I mean, the contour, the highlight and all that. I just blend the whole face with my setting powder and brush. The blush I'll be using here is from ZARON Cosmetics and it's in the shade Flushed. So I'll apply this blusher to the apple of my cheek. And so it's time to add some glow to the face. So the highlighter I'll be using here is the MAC Gold Deposits, and this is my all-time favorite highlighter. So I'll be applying this to the high point of my cheekbone, brow bone area, bridge of my nose, and yeah, that's about it. To open my eyes up a little bit, I go in with the same highlighter I used previously, which is the MAC Gold Deposit, and I apply this to the inner corner of my eyes. And now it's lip time. So the lip product I'll be using is from ZARON Cosmetics, and it's the Lipstain in the shade Rockstar. This is a dark this is like a maroon slash, I don't even know, it looks purple, it looks red, it looks, I don't know, whatever shade. Anyway, it's dark. And then I'm applying this all over my lips. So I wasn't really feeling the ZARON lip stain, the shade, I wasn't really feeling that, like, I mean, all by itself. So I decided to add a dark red lip stain. This is from Beauty by Ad, but unfortunately I haven't got the name because it's rubbed off. And so here's the final look. What do you guys think about it? Please let me know in the comment section below. And then if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and if you've got any suggestions, let me know as well in the comment section below. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.